basically we wanted a longer session. There are several issues. So definitely the speaker is a new speaker appointed. आणि oppositionाक extra time दिवपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो. There is a demand and a thing that we have seen. Traditionally जे reply 48 hours मध्ये मेळपाक जाय ते सारखे मेळोना. In the past जे calling attention आमी घालता, so more preference should be given to the opposition about 0 hours, about several. आणि time जो oppositionाक उलोवपाक, there is the governor's address, it will start. So whether there is going to be a reply, whatever will be discussed in the BAC. So these are several issues. Main motto opposition ha temi time diwpacha. There are the way law and order has failed, the way our fiscal आमची जी इकॉनॉमीचे stress आसा, जी financial crisis आसा, the way tourism department has failed, the way unemployment has increased, all these issues and law and order situation and the way people are being killed or being murdered, हे सगळे जरी तर म्हाका दिसता आमी इश्यू घेतले जाल्यार we need time. Definitely we will put it today before the BAC to the Honorable Speaker, and we expect the Speaker, who is the custodian of the House, to give us justice when it comes to raising these issues.